Hey, I'm Jaeyong, and I lead a team of developers at Microsoft. In this video, I'd love to share some tips with you on using Teams more effectively. Debugging code is at the heart of a developer's work. Sharing code with colleagues is essential when I'm stuck, or when code needs to be fixed quickly. I use Markdown to easily enter the code and select the language for it. This gives me proper syntax highlighting and indentation right in the message. With these features, code becomes easier to share with my colleagues and read in Teams. During code sharing, I use keyboard shortcuts to stay on top of the information flowing through my chats. By opening the chat in a new window, I keep track of updates and can toggle jump between the last unread message and the bottom of the chat to work faster. If I need help outside my immediate dev team, I ask my coworker Grady. With a couple of clicks, I can copy the code block into our chat. Grady identifies the bug and proposes a solution. We're back on track. To give kudos and provide status updates, I use Microsoft CoPilot as my writing assistant. I type the gist of what I want to say into the compose box and ask CoPilot to rewrite it professionally. With the power of collaboration, efficient communication tools, and the assistance of CoPilot, the project is sailing along. Stay tuned for even more features coming out for Teams.